Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply transfer your USDT from Binance to another wallet. It's quite simple. You're going to need a verified account, and if you do not have a verified account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you do so. So guys, once you've logged in with your verified account, your first step is to head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. You're doing this so you can have an overview of your assets. You're doing this so you can have a look at your assets. So click on the wallet option. You're dropped at the overview where you have a specific view of all your wallets. And by simply reloading, you can find the amount you're looking for or the cryptocurrency you're looking for. As you can see, we found the USDT on the spot. Click on this USDT, click on the withdrawal option, click on send via crypto network. Now, the wallet we're going to be sending or the wallet we're going to be funding is the Exodus wallet. So all you need to do now is simply open up your Exodus wallet or any wallet you currently have, like the Trust Wallet, MetaMask, ZenGo, KuCoin. They all accept the transfers. So now once your Exodus has opened up, once it's opened up, head over to this icon at the bottom of the screen, the portfolio icon. Click on this receive option. And by clicking on the receive option, search for USDT. And now, by simply searching for USDT, we can have a look at all the available networks the USDT is accepted on: Solana, Tron, FTM, Optimism, and so many other networks. So let's go with the USDT on the Optimism network. Click on this and click on I understand that I'm using the Optimism network. Click on continue. Copy this address, minimize, and open up your Binance. And now with your Binance opened up, simply paste the address there. Select the network, which is the Optimism. Scroll down and select Optimism. Put in the minimum, which is $10 or 12. And once you've done this, simply click on withdraw. Please make sure the network you're sending on matches the network you're receiving. Seeing as we're sending to the Optimism network, we should be also receiving on the Optimism network. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.